Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start right away. Power down, place the MacBook on a static-free mat, and keep small containers for screws. First, remove the 10-case screws with the correct driver. Do this slowly so you don't strip heads. Once the back is loose, gently lift and disconnect the battery. You disable power to avoid shorts. Then locate the blade-style PCIe SSD. Removing the battery first prevents accidental damage, which is why this sequence matters before you touch the SSD. Now you remove the SSD screw and lift the module at about a 30-degree angle. Pull it straight out to avoid bending pins. Before inserting the replacement, compare the gold finger layout and notch. Alignment is critical so the connector mates cleanly. Slide the new SSD into the slot at the same angle, push down until it sits flat, and fasten the retaining screw. Make sure it's snug but not overly tight so you preserve the drive and the logic board. Once the SSD is secured, reconnect the battery and replace the back cover, tightening screws in a balanced pattern to avoid case warping. Next, boot to Internet Recovery or a USB installer. Use Disk Utility to format the new SSD as apps and restore your system from Time Machine or reinstall Mac OS. If the Mac won't boot, first power down, reseat the SSD and check the retaining screw torque. If problems persist, reset the SMC and try a different Mac OS installer. That often resolves detection issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.